What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm glad to be back here at it again. Another episode of Boost Junkies. In this episode, we are going to be taking the wastegate off the SRT4 because the pipe that comes down is hitting the alternator and literally going to burn it up eventually. So we're taking that off. We're going to go down to the shop. We're going to get a custom one made. We're going to put it back on. So I'm going to show you in this part one, on how to remove the wastegate and take that off. So, and then we go down to the shop part 2. I'm going to install it, blah, 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 put it back together. So I know I've been away for a while. I've been super busy, guys. I'm creating a Facebook page for the channel. I actually created it last night. I just started it. It's got a picture of my car up there. That's the only thing I got. I need pictures from you guys. Okay, so how this is going to work is I want you to take a picture of your car, edit it yourself, do whatever you want, however you want to show it. Send it to me. Through Messenger. You can find me on my Facebook below. I'm going to put in the description below. Go on my Facebook, send me a message. When I get your car, let me know it's for the YouTube channel, Boost Junkies, because I also have an SRT page for you SRT guys. So go check that out. That'll also be in the description below, just so I don't get it mixed up. Hopefully I won't, though, because, you know, hopefully you'll be driving other cars besides an SRT4, because I'd love to see what you guys drive. So, send your pictures in. That would be awesome. We're going to get the page going. And the page is just going to be a community thing, where we can all just chat, talk to each other, do meets, you know, whatever. So if you guys are local here, I'm in Washington, moving to Puyallup, Washington, not too far away from where my mom is right now. So I'm going to be in Puyallup, Washington. So if you guys are local, hit me up, man. Let's go cruise or something, you know. Let's have a good time. If you're not local, no big deal. Post up on the page. Let's just create a good and healthy community for the car scene. One thing that I do not, or I shouldn't say, actually we don't, any of us allow, is haters. We're not here to hate on anybody. I know the channel says Boost Junkies. You know, I only named it Boost Junkies because my car's turbo, and I'm just trying this YouTube thing out. So basically, I just came up with the name, ran with it, and I'm starting to realize maybe I shouldn't, because there's a lot of guys that aren't turbo that are just amazing cars, you know. I've seen some clean Hondas, you know. I know a lot of people are hating on Hondas, and especially Mustangs right now. But I love them all, man. I like a good built Honda. I want to see you guys' NA builds. If you guys have a built NA, let me see it, because I'm really, really interested in going that direction. So I am super, super excited to see all you guys' cars and info. Oregon, the half-mile drag race is happening. So if you guys are close to Oregon, or like in California, come out to Oregon to Shift Sector. It's in McMinnville, Oregon. It's at the McMinnville Airport. It's a half-mile drag race. There are some badass cars, guys. I'm talking ETS was there with their GTR. Underground Racing was there. English Racing was there. You know, just these big names. Fast cars. So I'm trying to participate in that event. So I'm trying to get my car to 600 horsepower as quick as possible, so I can attend the event. So I do have my fuel system, which you guys will see in this video, which is going to go in next. It's going to get dynoed here in 2 weeks, which I think I talked about in the video also. What else are we doing? We're doing a water jet spray on the intercooler, so we're going to have water spray up there. We're going to do a homemade thing, so it's going to be really dope. Kind of a hacker garage thing, so shout out to those guys. Love them. And yeah, hood pins. I installed hood pins on the car because the carbon fiber like moves in the wind. Like when you're going real fast, it starts doing this. So I put hood pins on the car. I hate it. I don't like them. But for function, awesome. So, anything else I got to tell you guys? No. So, let's get to this video. I hope to see you guys in Oregon. If you can make it up there, make it up there. We're going to have, hopefully I'm going to have my t-shirts ready to go up there. And we're going to have just a ball of a time. So I hope to see you guys there. Everything will be in the description that you need to know. So anyways, guys, enjoy this video. Have fun. Keep boosting. Keep building your NAs. Fuck it. Keep making horsepower. Build your car for what you want. Fuck everybody else. Guys, have a great one. Weird angle, guys. Just bear with me. Like I said, I'm doing this outside. I just started working on it, so I figure I film it. So I'll just keep going here. God, get away from me, babe. Alright, cool, back is off. More time. Oh boy. Yes, they're gonna be a tricky bitch. I think I can get it. Looks like it's a 10. 12. 12? 12? Or 11? Can't remember. Definitely 11. Alright, let me show you guys what I'm working on here real quick. So, I'm gonna take that nut out, and then one on the back side. I'll wipe down my hands real quick here for you guys. And one on the back. There's another one back there. Right there. Okay, let's go ahead and take that out. Set you guys back down over here. Sorry for the weird angle. I apologize. What? Sorry, what? No. See? I knew it. I knew it was a 10. I knew it. Oh, positions you gotta get into to work on this damn car. Oh, my goodness. Wastegate is off. Finally. Okay, so now I need ground. So I need to take off those. Whatever.
Come on, dude.
Thanks, bro.
Don't dent it.
I won't. Need a wrench for that one. Alright, guys. Well, we got the wastegate off. Sorry about that. My mom and brother come down. So, like I said, I am moving next Saturday. So, I'm going to be super busy. So, that's why I'm trying to get videos out consistently, like every week. So, we'll definitely try. But I need to go get a wrench to take that one off. Cool. There's a gasket in there. Yeah, so basically that's the pipe right there, and how it sits was literally right on my alternator. The alternator sits right here, so we're gonna take this off, get it re-welded, or actually get a new one, so they'll come back down around. So we'll go do that. So right now, a little diesel truck coming down the road. There's one. There's two. Ooh, she's cooking. She is cooking. Wow, look at that. Look how black that is. Woo! Wow. That is no good. Well, I mean, it's not no good or whatever. It's just, it means it's working. So, that's a plus. But we definitely had an exhaust. Definitely had a leak there. And that's a good indication too of where it was leaking. You can see right there we had a leak. Because it shouldn't be on this side of the gasket. It should stay within. So we definitely had a leak. So next time when we do this, when we install it, we're going to put a copper sealant around it. Hopefully it'll seal better. And there's the ring, which sits like that, then which sits under that. Oh wait, I was showing you guys the wrong one. I'm sorry, it's this side. So we'll put copper spray. Copper, copper, bam, bam. That's the gasket for the cup. So now we're gonna go ahead and install it back on. There. Cool. Alright, let me show you guys everything. Focus. Okay, wastegate's back on. And I just zip tied this to keep it out of the way of the can gears so we don't have any issues with that. I just zip tied all that. Alright, so we're just gonna put the that on. That coil pack. Sorry, I can't think of the name right away. Put that on, hook up the spark plugs, hook up the sensor, and put the bar back on, and we'll be done. Sorry, I keep moving you guys. Bridges keep falling down. I think this is the first video I did outside, where we're not in the garage. Sweet. We're almost there. Bar. Bam! Done. Whew. Oh, dropped you again. Alright guys, we are finished. We are done. I like it. So hopefully we'll be good. I'm gonna say go down to the shop, we're gonna do one of these made. One day I'm gonna learn to weld that good. Actually really good welds. So hang on to all this. Put that there, put that there. Clean up. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go so I can clean up. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.